Okay.
Okay. So if you know anybody who needs or wants this sign, let me know, because it's a great sign. Because the great graphics, double-sided, reinforced, the wind, it's not going anywhere, props. If you know anybody who could use this sign, let me know, because I don't have use of it currently, and I have a lot of signs that I'm already storing. So,
Yeah, point to the things like you did before and talk.
the sturdiness of the sign. Well, this is why it's a great sign. The graphics are great. The font is very clear. The board is thick. It ain't going nowhere in the wind. And a lot of people hold their signs, and that's a pain in the butt. Guess what? You got a stick. It ain't going nowhere. Tight sign. And then you have obnoxious American flags at the top to capture more attention. And look at them wave. And this is just a really great sign waiting to be flouted across the world. And it's looking for a new home.
Wave those flags again.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very, very patriotic.
Why is this a new car?
Well, I was maybe gonna, when I went to the Trump rally, I was maybe gonna see if somebody outside there could find a good use or repurpose this, you know, but I never actually got to that point, so.
Did it make it inside? This one didn't make it inside.
Oh, hell's no, because you weren't allowed to have any signs whatsoever. This would have been for a protester on the outside of the rally.
Oh, God, that's really
But I did not make it for that purpose, but I brought it there hoping I could find it a new home. But I just haven't removed it from my car yet, so if you know anybody from here to the drive home who could use it, I could even do a drop off.
Yeah.
But it's great, and it's never been put out there into the world. You know what I mean? It's never been seen in a live you know, I feel like it needs to see a protest or a rally before it gets put in someone's basement and the foam board is repurposed for, like, I don't know, a baby's crib or something really inappropriate.
And who's this down here?
This is my road dog, Tiger Bomb. He's part security, part support. He's my backup, and one of my reasons for everything I do. He's a great, great man, and the nicest guy. If you want some inspiration, come meet Tiger Bomb.
Is he a Trump supporter?
No, he's actually that's one of the few things that will make him upset. So if you are going to talk about that, we can maybe do that when he's not around.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. Just know that he does have limits and boundaries. And the T word, yeah, it can set him off.
Can he spell though? If I go TRUMP.
He can spell with his arms and his legs.
Kind of like the Village People.
Exactly like those people.
Okay.
With even just as tight a choreography.
Wow. And on that note,
Yeah.
okay. What a ham. Okay.
Ham in a good way, right?
Ham in a good way, yeah.
Right?
But vegan ham. Okay, so close the doors.
We have everything. Yes. Everything we need? Yes. Yes. And actually, I have a bunch of free stickers in my car. And if someone says, like, hey, Bert, or hey, they don't know my name's Bert, but they're like, yeah, I like your sticker. I'm like, would you like one? I gave one out yesterday. It's a moment of feel-good moment.
Okay.
Ready to roll?
Yeah.